Dear students, so in today's video I will give the full informations about the IIT-JAM exam. We'll discuss about the paper pattern, then eligibility criteria, mode of examinations, and which courses are offered through this exam, and what is the career opportunities after getting admissions in top IITs. All detailed informations I will give through this video. So guys, if your first time watching this video, so please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell button. You get a daily updates regarding such examination. Okay guys, so we'll start the video. So IIT-JAM. So IIT, that means Indian Institute of Technology. JAM, that is a joint admission test for master. So this is one of the entrance examination for admissions of master degree like M.sc, as well as for the integrated program like M.sc P.hd. Okay, through this JAM exam they will get admissions in top IITs as well as in IISER, Indian Institute of Educational Research, as well as in IISC, Indian Institute of Science. Okay, so here we will get admissions through this JAM exam. Okay, so this is one of the entrance examination for admission of M.sc as well as integrated, that is a joint degree program, M.sc P.hd program. So we get the admissions through this JAM score. Okay, so most of the students have their dreams to get admissions in top IITs. Okay students, so this is one of the golden opportunities for the students, those who are graduate, so they get admissions through this JAM exam. Actually in IITs, after the 12th, through JEE Mains and JEE Advanced, they are enter in this IITs. Okay, so it means after the 12th science you can enter in IITs through JEE Advanced exam and JEE Mains exam. So you get a BTech and BE degrees. But so many students, due to some personal problem and some other reason, they can't get the admissions in these IITs, and they have dreams to complete their educations through the IITs, because it is a brand, you know, that IIT and NITs. Okay, so if you this is one of the golden opportunity for all science graduate students. Okay, so they can get a good opportunities, so to get admissions in top IITs. Okay, so IITs JAM exam, this is one of the entrance examinations. So we'll discuss about the paper pattern of this exam. Okay guys, so paper pattern, total 100 marks exam this one. Okay, how many marks it have? Total 100 marks, and it is have the 60 questions. Total 60 questions and marks is 100. So in this paper there is a 3 sections. Okay, section A, section B and section C. So we'll discuss in detail about the all the section. So see students, section A, so in that section A it carry the total 30 questions. Okay, all are the MCQs, that means multiple choice questions. So 30 questions are there, number of questions are 30. So first 10 questions means 1 to 10, that is 1 marks questions, means total 10 marks. First 10 questions that carry the 10 marks, and remaining 20 questions which carry the 2 marks. These are the MCQ questions. Okay, difficulty level is different for each questions. First 10 questions, that these are the 1 marks questions, so difficulty level is somewhat easy. And in case of the second, that is 20 questions, it have the difficulty level is somewhat high, so it carry the 2 marks, means 20 questions into 2, total 40 marks. So means section first, total 50 marks are there. Okay students, and these all are the MCQs, multiple choice questions. And one more important thing, section 1 only carry the negative marking. Okay, so other section B and section C, that does not have the negative marking. So how negative marking will work here? See, so in case of the 1 marks, so if you wrong the 1 question, so there will be the 1/3 marks should be deducted. Get it? So for 1 marks, if you wrong the 1 question, then 1/3 marks will be deducted. For 2 marks question, that means in that 20 questions, if you wrong the 1 questions, then your 2/4 marks will be deducted. Get it students? 2/4 marks will be deducted in case of the 20 questions, and all are the multiple choice questions. So each question carry the 4 options, so you have to choose the correct options in that. So this is a very easy way, section A. Okay. So section B, it carries the total 10 questions. Only 10 questions are there. Clear? So in section B, 10 questions, and each question carries the 2 marks. That means 10 into 2, total 20 marks will be there. So section B have the 20 marks, and here there is a no MCQs. It is similar with MCQ. This is called as a MSQ. MSQ means what? Multiple selective questions. Okay. So MSQ, this is similar with MCQs, but what happened in this MSQ? So there are also 1 questions and they have the 4 options. But what is the difference between MCQ and MSQ? Okay. So in case of the MCQs, so you know that 1 questions they are asking and they are given the 4 options A, B, C, D like this, and you have to choose the correct appropriate answers. Okay, which is correct, that only you can write. But in case of the MSQ, they are given 1 questions and they are given 4 options also. But what is the difference? So in that 4 options, there may be 2 or more than 2 options are correct. That means suppose question 1 is there and in that they are given the 4 options. So in that 4 option A also correct, sometime option C also correct, and sometime option D also correct. Means more than 2 options should be correct. That is a MSQ. Now clear everybody? So total 10 question and each question carry the 2 marks. So get it clear, and total 20 marks is there in section B. Okay students, so section C. So in section C total 20 questions are there, and this also it is not a MCQ type question and MSQ. This is a NAT type question. Means this is a numerical answer type. Means here they are asking the some numerical based questions. Okay. So total 20 questions are there. So in that total 20 questions, first 10 questions having the 1 marks. Okay. So in that 10 questions, the difficulty level is somewhat easy. So total 10 marks for 10 questions, and remaining 10 questions carry the 2 marks. So that means, so how much marks it have? 20 marks. Okay. And this is the NAT, means what? Numerical answer type questions, NAT. Okay. And how we can solve this section? So in that sections they are given the some virtual keypad. So for solving the numericals, and they are giving some scrubber pad. So you have to solve the numericals there, and whatever answer will come, it is in number, integers. So that number you should type in a keyboards on computer based. They are providing these things. Okay, there only you have to type the correct answers. Okay, means here there is no options, you remember. So section C, there is no any options, and there are also no negative marking. Now clear students? They are given some virtual keypad, and through that virtual keypad, so you can type the correct answer. So you can calculate. So calculator also provided, virtual calculator they are given. Okay, so no need to carry any extra calculator, and they can provide the rough paper also for solving the numericals. Now clear section C. So that is a total 30 marks. Total C students, section A carry 50 marks. Clear? So total 30 questions, 50 marks, and section B total 20 marks. 50 plus 20, 70, plus section C carry the 30 marks. Total 100 marks paper is there. So total how much marks? 100 marks. And total question how much? 60 questions. So this 30, this 10, and this 20. So total 60 questions are there, and time duration is 3 hours. Now clear students? And mode of examination is a online through CBT, computer based test. Okay, so it is not a offline exam, so you can conduct this exam through the online mode. Now clear students? So exam mode is online, so through CBT, computer based test, and exam duration is a 3 hours. Now clear? So next is the subjects. How many subjects are offered through this JAM exam? So total 7 subjects are there. So already know these subjects. Biotechnology, so those having the graduation in biotechnology, so they can give this exam. Then chemistry, okay, then physics, even this year they are added economics. Okay, those having the economic subjects, they can also give this exam. Then mathematics, then mathematical statistics, so and last one is the geology. Total 7 subjects they are including in this JAM exam. Okay students? And what is the eligibility criteria? You should qualify the graduation through science stream. That means you can complete your B.Sc degree. So in minimum 55% marks. In aggregate marks, how much? 55% aggregate marks in a graduation degree. That is the eligibility criteria. Only science stream students can give this exam. Okay, students. So what is the important features of this exam? So already I explained that if you qualify this JAM exam, you can get admissions in top IITs. That means Indian Institute of Technology, in IIT Bombay, IIT Powai, IIT Roorkee. So these are the top IITs. There you get admissions, and this is one of the golden opportunity for all the science graduate students to complete their master degree in top IITs. So already you know IIT is one of the brand, and after completion of this master degree and post graduation as well as PhD degree, you get a good career options after the completion of your course through this IITs. Okay, and one more important thing here. So one of the opportunity you have in IISER. That means IISER already you know, IISC. Okay, IISER. So it is in Pune, Indian Institute of Science, Education and Research. So in this IISER, you can get admissions through this JAM exam score, and they are given integrated PhD program, M.sc as well as PhD. And when you can doing this M.sc with PhD, you can get a stipend per month 10,000. So this is one of the golden opportunity for the poor students, those who want to complete their master degree as well as their PhD. So IISER provide the one of the golden opportunity to them, so they can complete their master degree along with their PhD. Okay, and after that they have the good career options in different research center. So many private and public sector, they have the good career opportunities as well as in government sector. Okay guys, and one of the important thing, so in IITs already you know that every year JAM exam will given throughout the country. About 73,360 students can give this exam. Means they can this candidate can register themselves for the IIT-JAM exam. Okay, but out of that 73,360 students, only 62,654 students are appeared for this exam. Okay, means 73,000 students can fill the application form, and in that only 62,000 students can appear the exam, and out of that 62,000, only 23%. How much? Only 23% students can be qualified this exam. You remember? So this is one of the toughest examination. Not I can say it is the toughest, but if you prepare thoroughly, then definitely will crack this JAM exam. Okay, and this is one of the it is a UPSC level exam. Okay, it is not that much easy as you think. Okay, so you need to prepare thoroughly. Okay, so guys, and syllabus of this exam I will explain in case of the chemistry. There is a 3 sections: organic chemistry, physical chemistry and inorganic chemistry. So I will suggest a few books to crack this exam. Okay, those who are preparing this exam for organic chemistry, you should use the Claydon book. Okay, so this is one of the best book for JAM exam as well as other competitive exam. And second book I suggest you, that is the Brucey. Okay, BRUIC, Brucey. And third book I will refer you, that is the ABC of chemistry. So that is the advanced book, in that you can clear all your basic concepts. Then Singage, also one of the good book for preparing the organic chemistry. And for name reaction you can use the Peter Sachs. So that is also one of the good books. Okay, Peter Sachs. Then for inorganic chemistry, I will refer you. You can refer the J.D. Lee. Okay, then you can use the UE. Then you can use the Singage publication. So these books you should refer for inorganic chemistry. Okay guys, and for physical chemistry you should refer the Atkin. That is also one of the best book for physical chemistry. So most of the concept you can clear through this book, physical chemistry, that is the Atkin. And even you can use the ABC of chemistry, that is a physical section 2nd. That is very best book for clearing all your basic concepts. And even for spectroscopy you can use the P.S. Kelsey. That is also good book. So guys, these are the different reference books and you can refer some NCERT books also, because some questions they are asking from very basic levels. So most of the students when they are preparing, they can go through the very high level questions, means they are go through the only mechanism of reactions, but simple basic questions they cannot be understand. So that's why I'm saying initially you can read some NCERT books also, and you go through your graduate all books, first year, second year and third year, all book you should be refer first, and then you go through this reference books, and I'm damn sure you definitely crack this exam if you using these books, and you should follow the perfect strategy to crack this exam. Okay guys, and all the best for all the aspirant, those who are preparing the JAM 2022 exam. And one more important instructions I want to give you, and this year government will announce this exam, so important dates is released yesterday only. See here important dates for JAM 2022 exam. Okay, so the 13th August, so here date will announce 13th August 2021. In August next month there will be the online registration and application process going to be start. Okay students, online registration as well as application process going to be start in 13th August, and from 11th October 2021 there is the last date, that means there is a closure of online applications, means that is the last date to fill the application form. Okay guys, and on the 13th Feb 2022, in February you can do this exam. The exam date is what? 13 Feb 2022. Okay, so in that exam will be conducted and result will be announced on 22nd March 2022. So the JAM result will be announced in 22nd March 2022. So after getting your result, your score, so if you want to apply for the IISER, you can go through this, there is one more application form, you can fill that form also, and they have some their criteria, means you can go through their interview also. Okay, so they can check your graduation marks as well as that JAM score. So if you get a below 800 rank, definitely you will get in admissions in JAM, in IISER as well as IISC in list of science, and you get a integrated PhD programs in top IITs also. Okay guys, so all the best, all the aspirant, those who are preparing JAM exam. So you can take the screenshot, everything is in on board, and you can prepare your exam. All the best for your future.